And here's a few more examples of native plants requiring essentially no spring maintenance. The leaf blanket that is within the garden bed, the leaves from the surrounding trees have no significant impact on the plants coming up this spring. Here in the middle, you're looking at Culver's root, Veronica astrum virginicum. Really neat, spiky white wildflower in early summer. No trouble whatsoever. And also throughout this garden bed, lots of New England aster. Symphyotrichum novae angliae. We have lots of New England aster. That was one of our first native wildflowers we planted. Again, it's no issues pushing right up through last year's leaves. You'll also notice in this bed, when we do cut the stems, just for appearance purposes, when we do cut the stems and we cut them high, we break them up, we cut them up, and we leave them, we mulch them right here in the same garden bed. Some volunteer daylilies. We'll be removing some of those. We also have foxglove, beard tongue, Penstemon digitalis in this bed. And again, as the rest, no issues with last year's leaves. Easy spring gardening.